Hello and welcome to this particular topic. It's called preparing and giving a talk. So first of all, in school, when you're preparing your GCSE English, there will be a verbal or oral test that you'll probably have. This particular lesson helps you actually structure your talk in a way whereby you get maximum marks. So in order to do this, first of all, planning is very, very important. So some of the first steps of planning, you've got to think of a suitable title and a subject area that you'd like to talk about. So you need to research your topic first of all. Maybe talk to experts, do some research on the internet, look at encyclopedias, maybe even go to the library for this. You need to gather resources, arguments for and against a particular point and why you've decided to actually go for this topic. So in terms of the structure, to summarize the talk in a few paragraphs, does it have a beginning? Does it have a middle and an ending? So introduction, body, and conclusion are very important as well. Prompts are also useful. So you've got to write down your main ideas or main words or phrases that you will actually like to discuss. So sometimes in these talks, you can't have a full script of writing in front of you that you can just read out. So it has to come naturally. So for you to actually naturally engage the audience and naturally to give your speech, you need some prompts or some bullet points that can actually, you will remember during your talk, that you can actually elaborate on in your presentation. And most importantly, practice is very important. So you can practice with your family and friends beforehand, or you can just look in the mirror and just read out to yourself, just to get a good idea of what your speech or your talk is like. So when you give the talk, always make sure you're relaxed and you look and feel confident. Check the list of what the teachers are looking for and make sure everybody is listening. Stand up, try to appear lively, and make sure that your voice is nice and loud so everybody right at the back of the room can actually hear you as well. So just remember that your particular topic has to be relevant to the audience as well. So you need to engage the audience at all times. Also, be prepared to ask questions at the end and be prepared to answer those questions at the end as well. Because if you do answer those questions confidently, questions coming from teachers or students, then this will also give you added bonus marks as well. Okay, so good luck with this particular topic. Read this in detail, and then you've got some questions based on this that you can answer. And we'll cover this in our next class. Good luck.